my guy, Demetrius.
Yeah.
Okay, going. 3.
Oh, one bang.
Oh! What?
My brother, I told you. Nice. He's coming back. Beautiful.
That was a struggle.
You guys, Muay Thai and everything. I bet you can't choke me out. 10 seconds. Yo, yo, yo. Alright, so I'm on my way to Sydney now. Starting at the apartment. We got our boy. Let's go.
I'm done.
Alright. There's gonna be some cool shit. And I can't wait to show you. Dude, bro, appreciate the help. Thank you.
Let's fucking go, boys!
Thank you for picking me up and thank you for helping us out. Fuck yeah. Alright, time to visit the rest of the family. We are here at Paramount Park and we have a special guest.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tim's Vlog. So, he's down here this weekend for Inmotion 3. He's going to compete. He's probably going to place in the top 4, hopefully win. So, check him out this whole weekend, guys. Watch the full video, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Check out my ass. There you go. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, come on, that was loose.
Nice.
Oh, just fucking distance. That's actually hard.
Let's go! Make that move. Let's go! You probably know some of these guys. Check them out. Got Jimbo Jambo. You got your boy. You got Noah. And you got Henry. Let's go. Wait. There's one person missing. There we go. There we go.
I did a cork.
Okay. We got Spider-Man Sam. Let's go. What's up, bro? How you going?
I'm doing alright.
Yeah. Alright.
I mean, it started with complimenting you, and then he's like, yeah, but his ankles.
Yeah, fruits of my labor, brought it straight from the dirt. Double my grind, just to triple my worth. Rocking the same clothes from the first to the third. You can say what you want, but I'm making it work. Fruits of my labor, brought it straight from the dirt. Double my grind, just to triple my work. Rocking the same clothes from the first to the third. You can say what you want, but I'm making it work. They finally got my back against the wall. History on the way, they plotting my downfall. I'm watching the trajectory, people acting deceptively, sipping my drink. I'm thinking this is the last. doors, turn them into hallways for my homies to walk. Been going to war, optimistic views turn sour. Been hungry all my life, who ready to get devoured? Never cower when it's time to go. I got the future in my vision, but you rather troll. I take the challenge to balance my ambitions on a grown man mission. In my room drawing plays, I plotted it to precision. My description, I write it on the walls like a hieroglyph. Plain ticket acting funny, that's a power trip. Trick knowledges, I study hidden facts. Take the buildings out the picture, got my city on my back. Yeah, fruits of my labor, brought it straight from the dirt. Double my grind, just to triple my worth. Rocking the same clothes from the first to the third. You can say what you want, but I'm making it work. Fruits of my labor, brought it straight from the dirt. Double my grind, just to triple my worth. Rocking the same clothes from the first to the third. You can say what you want, but I'm making it work. Building my life, I'm preparing for my luxuries. All the subtleties go deeper than a submarine. I preach respect, don't sacrifice it for checks. People that turn to snakes don't deal with this kind of stress. My fam stay watching me, thinking of the old times. I'm trying to decipher how many still in my old rhymes. These opportunities turn Judas when they disappear. Probably the same invitations, thinking we should chill. I'm on some next level Don type business. Corner markers out the corner office, guard like business. I'm a hard life witness, brought it out the red clay. Put it all on the line, cutting red tape. Running from dead weight, trying to keep my head straight. Now I'm sliding in my path like a drag race. These people never get the drop of my plans. Boy, I'm in the fast lane, leave you right where you stand, it's crazy. Hey, minute time ticking, it's a new breath. New checks, new chance to rebuke stress. I'm too blessed, I'm a full-fledged mogul out the gutter. You would swear I learned the ball while I'm bold, yeah. Fruits of my labor, brought it straight from the dirt. Double my grind, just to triple my worth. Rocking the same clothes from the first to the third. You can say what you want, but I'm making it work. Fruits of my labor, brought it straight from the dirt. Double my grind, just to triple my worth. Rocking the same clothes from the first to the third. You can say what you want, but I'm making it work.
Yeah, come on, Dim. Woo! Smashed it.
Hi Sam,
Good morning.
Good morning, how's everyone today?
Pretty good, Harry. What's the itinerary for today?
Well, I've done part of mine already, but chill here at the scrappy spot and then go to the better ones.
Did you just bring all the prices?
Look here, we're going in again. Love it! No, I can like you. I know, nice to meet you. Good, how are you? Hey, nice to meet you. Yo.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Pretty good, pretty finished.
I think we've met. I'm Michael. I'm Jimbo. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We've met
I just got their meeting on camera.
World Chase Day like 2 years ago. Doesn't matter. Too many people. Yeah.
Don't even ask. It's so stupid.
That was so gangster. I was not expecting that. I'm like, oh! Let's go! Yoo! Let's go! Nah, G. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. It looks soft too.
Easy, George. Oh, easy. Bang.
Let's go.
fun. Everyone's done it. I still do it. Sometimes you dig yourself into a hole of craps.
Who's
And
this
it's so
guy?
hard to get. So hard to get back out, man. It's so fucking hard.
Good morning, Big Chief. You.
My feet are so swollen from
Fuck. Dude, you sound fucking.
Come on, homie. Come on.